This video is about avocado, also known as the nutrient-packed superfruit. Avocado, scientifically known as Persea americana, is a creamy and rich fruit, celebrated globally for its remarkable health benefits and versatility. Originating from Central and South America, this superfruit has gained immense popularity and has become a staple in diets around the world. Its creamy texture and distinct taste make it a favorite ingredient in a variety of dishes. Beyond its deliciousness, avocados are packed with essential nutrients and offer numerous health benefits, making them a must-have in a well-rounded diet. Benefit 1. Rich source of healthy fats. Avocado is well known for being a rich source of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats, primarily oleic acid, are beneficial for heart health. Monounsaturated fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels, while increasing good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Benefit 2. High in nutrient content. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of potassium, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, avocados contain vitamin C, E, K, and various B vitamins, promoting overall well-being and vitality. Benefit 3. Abundant in fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health and maintaining a healthy weight. Avocados are a great source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and preventing constipation. The fiber content also contributes to a feeling of fullness, reducing overeating and supporting weight management. Benefit 4. Supports eye health. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that are essential for eye health. These antioxidants help protect the eyes from harmful light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Benefit 5. Enhances skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in avocados contribute to healthy and glowing skin. Vitamin E, in particular, helps maintain skin health by reducing oxidative damage, preventing premature aging, and promoting a youthful complexion. Benefit 6. Aids weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can aid in weight management due to their fiber and healthy fat content. The fiber promotes satiety, reducing overall calorie intake, while the healthy fats keep you feeling fuller for longer, helping to manage cravings and prevent overeating. Benefit 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. The monounsaturated fats and fiber in avocados can help stabilize blood sugar levels. By improving insulin sensitivity and reducing spikes in blood sugar, avocados can be a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Benefit 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Avocado possesses anti-inflammatory properties due to its rich concentration of antioxidants and healthy fats. These properties can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis and promote overall joint health. Benefit 9. Supports pregnancy. Avocado is an excellent choice for pregnant women due to its high folate content. Folate is crucial for the proper development of the baby's brain and spinal cord during early pregnancy. Benefit 10. Boosts brain health. The healthy fats in avocados are beneficial for brain health and cognitive function. They can enhance memory, focus, and concentration, making avocados an excellent addition to your diet to support a healthy brain. How can you consume avocado? Avocado is an incredibly versatile fruit and can be consumed in various ways. One of the simplest and most popular ways is to slice it and sprinkle a little salt and pepper for a quick and nutritious snack. Avocado can also be mashed and spread on toast, blended into smoothies for a creamy texture, or used as a topping for salads and soups. It's a key ingredient in guacamole, a beloved dip made by combining mashed avocado with various seasonings and vegetables. Where can you find avocado? Avocados are widely available in grocery stores, supermarkets, and local markets in regions where they are grown. They are typically found in the produce section, and their availability may vary based on the season and location. In regions where avocados are not locally grown, they are often imported to meet the demand of consumers. In summary, avocados are not only a delicious addition to meals but also a superfruit packed with incredible health benefits. From heart health to glowing skin and improved digestion, the diverse range of benefits makes avocados a valuable component of a balanced diet. The ease of consumption and widespread availability in various markets make it accessible to people around the globe. Including this nutrient-rich fruit in your daily diet can contribute to a healthier, happier, and more vibrant life.